Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Lucid today, give you all a massive update because we want to know what is the upside potential now in Lucid. Can we actually see this market continue to go up in price? Because look at this. The market has been going up in Lucid. And I did a video in Lucid on June the 13th. And I was like, all right, cool. We might want to wait. We want to see how active the buyers really are into the market in Lucid. And we got a little bit more information today. And I wanted to come and show you all where I think the price in Lucid is headed now without the confusion. Okay, so go ahead. Today's your first time ever seeing my videos, my content. You appreciate it. Join the team. Hit the like button. Share the video. Also subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well because you don't want to miss out. I want to make sure that you guys understand and be in position to actually win in the markets. So go ahead and do that. All right, so now. I didn't do a price prediction on my last Lucid video. I didn't. I wanted us to chill out and wait and see who's actually winning in this space. I think we got a little bit more information regarding who is dominating the price in Lucid. And right now, it's the buyers. Yes, the buyers are currently in control of this market. I mean, think about it. When the price in Lucid began its downward trajectory back here in November of last year, the sellers were winning. Right, the sellers was able to take price in Lucid from almost $60 just last year and was able to bring it all the way down to 14. That shows us that they was dominating the price. The sellers were. But now, look at what's been going on here. The price in Lucid has just been consolidating. It seems to me like the market is finding an equilibrium between the buyers and the sellers to where they can conduct the business. We may be actually in the process of seeing Lucid go up just by looking at that alone. Okay. The market has been consolidating for a while. I would say since the ending of April, the market has just been trading sideways between $20 to 14. I would say $20 to 16. The market has just been consolidating. Okay, we got it. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create the trend that this market in Lucid may be going through. Okay, and we're going to utilize this line going forward because we're going to play that every time the price in Lucid comes down to this trend line, okay, and we bounce off of it, that tells us that the price and the buyers are still controlling the market. That tells us that, okay? So we're going to utilize this line as a focus or focal point, okay? It's a focal point because if the price in Lucid comes back down and it breaks that ascending line, then we understand that we need to adjust and that the price is telling us who's actually winning. The sellers will be winning in the market in Lucid if it breaks this down, this ascending line, okay? Now, you guys can see that I got this other horizontal line on the chart. Right? That is where the market restriction currently is. So price is going to find some issues here, which we kind of saw yesterday. Right here, just yesterday, the market kind of got rejected around that horizontal price level. Okay, we're seeing it. $20, $20.50. That's a problem. So in order for us to see what are the chances of us breaking outside of $20 to the upside, we got to look at the market in a longer term. Okay. Let's start out with it on the 2-day. Okay. So this is Lucid here on the 2-day time frame. Now, what I'm trying to tell you all is that this is not like some type of pump or explosion. Like I'm not looking for the market to just break out, but we are seeing that the market wants to trend higher. Okay. Because we got all of these trading days right here that we got to consider. The market would have to massively break outside of $20 for us to really know that buyers are running and controlling the price. But so far in the 2-day time frame, it looks decent. This is Lucid on the 3-day. Now we got 8 hours and 46 minutes left, but currently we're still noticing the strength. And one thing that I do like looking at this on a 3-day chart is the fact that price is now trading above $17.37. That's good. Okay, so that's a good thing too. This is Lucid on the 5-day. Now look at this. This is how you're able to know that the market gives us the same type of information all the time. We just need to learn how to ingest it, break it down, look at the evidence and figure out what's really going on. Consider this. Look at these two 5-day price bars, right? Then look at this one. Okay, look at those. They look similar, do they not? Price goes down, next 5 days, market goes up. Well, here we are again today. We are seeing exactly the same thing. Now, these are indications that the market is not trying to go down. Those 4 5-day price bars resembles that the market does not want to go down. And now we're seeing this creation of this ascending line. I'm showing you all premises and presumptions to show us that market is trying to move higher. Look at Lucid on the weekly. Okay. My only issue from looking at this market in Lucid right now of it really going higher is this $20 price. That's it. We have all of these weekly price bars, right? That Lucid was trading under $20. That tells us that that's an issue for the buyers. The sellers are stationed right there, willing to sell at 20. The buyers need to take those people out at $20.50 in order for us to move up. That's it. That's the only problem that I see here in the market in Lucid. Okay. So even though we were under the presumption that price is going to move higher in Lucid, how high do you think it's going to go? This is Lucid on the 5 weeks. Okay. We saw over the last 10 weeks, okay, the market dipped in Lucid here on this 5-weekly price bar, and then it dipped again. But the market is recovering. Like the price trades down, but then it closes higher. The price trades down, but then it closes higher. That tells us that buyers are now here in the market at these prices. Okay, so I'm looking for the market to go up. Now, the only issue and problem would be how high. That's it. How high do you think the price of Lucid is going to go? So now, let me take this back over to the 2-day chart and let's try to figure this out, because outside of $20, the next level that we can possibly see the market in Lucid run up towards would be here. Okay, right around here, around 22. Okay, now that's my first price target. I'm looking for the market in Lucid to run up around that level. Okay, that's first. Once price breaks $20, if it does, the next level is going to be around $22, $22.50. Okay. Next one is going to be around 24.25. Okay, so we have 22 first. Second is going to be around 24.25. Those are my 2 price targets. Now, I'm not really antsy to see the market in Lucid run up to 24.25, but I just want to put on a chart because that's it's probable that if the strength continues in Lucid, that we can see the market run up that high. Okay. So the first area is 22. So that gives us around 13, almost 14% profitability in the move higher in Lucid. Then my second one, I might want to bring it down to 24 exactly. Yeah, I'm going to bring it to 24. Okay. It'll be my second price target around $24. That gives it around 24% movement higher. Okay. So this is it. We're expecting the price in Lucid to go up, and hopefully you all was able to determine and saw the same thing as to why I am presuming price is going to go up. But now it's your turn. I want you all to let me know where do you think the market is headed in Lucid without the confusion. Go ahead and drop your price target, your price prediction in the market in Lucid as we approach the month of July. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.